If you're a mortgage loan officer right now looking for ways to drum up extra business, I think advertising home equity lines of credit is a great way to go. I just did a quick Facebook ad library search and found that LendingTree is absolutely pounding Facebook with HELOC ads. So what I'm going to do today is show you how you can create your own version of a LendingTree ad to drive traffic to you. I'm going to take you step by step through Facebook Ad Manager and show you exactly how to set an ad like this up. So the first thing you want to do when you get over to your Ad Manager is just go ahead and click Create. Messenger ads work fantastic, so I'm going to go ahead and choose engagement as our campaign objective. Let's just go ahead and click Continue. We'll just name this campaign HELOC. Now remember, you've got to use the special ad category for housing, and let's click Next. Let's name the ad set HELOC. Messaging apps is a great conversion. We'll stick with that. And let's go ahead and run this for $10 a day. And now here we're going to go to locations. So what I want to do is I want to click here and click Edit. And I want to go people living in this location. Now I'm going to target a specific area like Mobile, Alabama. Since I live in this area, I'm going to go ahead and drop a pin on the other side of the bay, all the way down to the Gulf Coast. There we go. That looks pretty good. Let's scroll down. We'll hit editing for our detailed targeting. Now let's type into the detailed targeting home equity line of credit. I'm going to choose all three of these. Home equity line of credit, and home equity loan. Now these are all interests, and you can see my estimated audience size is pretty small. It's only about 62,000 people. Now if your audience is really small like that, what you'll want to do is create an ad that you can turn on and off and maybe have several different images that you can swap out so that you just kind of blanket your area with home equity ads. All of them need to have a little bit of a different hook. Some of them can say something like access your cash in as little as 5 days. Or some of them can talk about the different reasons why you'd want to do home equity. You're going to want to kind of educate and empower people and intrigue them enough so that they click. So let's go ahead and scroll down and we're going to click Next. Now let's go ahead and name our ad. Now I've created an image already that I think is going to work pretty good. So I'm going to click Add Image, and over here I'm going to click Upload and select it and click Next. So there we go. There's my home equity line of credit image. Let's click Done. Now Facebook says the cost per result may rise due to too few ad creative, and that's okay. This is just a quick awareness campaign where we're going to just start spreading the news that we've got home equity lines of credit available and we want people to get used to seeing us. Now let's go ahead and focus on our primary text. We could say something like, you can. So there's my primary text and my call to action. Get program details now, send message. Okay, so here in the message template, we can go ahead and start an automated chat right here in Facebook. Let's click Create. Now here you can kind of get an example of what that chat is going to look like. So let's go up here and edit this first question. We'll go ahead and put a little emoji in there. Something friendly. There, answer a few questions. Now, the questions are, let's see, here you can see this is a multiple choice question. So we could ask something like, how long have you owned your home? Let's add an option and say 10 or more years. Now we don't want to disqualify anybody, so let's go ahead and click this next question so that everybody goes to the next question regardless of how they answer. Now this next question is what city do you live in? I don't necessarily want to ask that, so I'm just going to click get rid of it and add a question. Let's do another custom question. Perfect. So we can say to have a ready reserve. So I've got a few different options there to have a ready reserve, debt consolidation, pay off bills, whatever. Obviously, you see it's very easy to customize that. You can ask several different qualifying questions if you like. Let's go ahead and hit add a question. There we go. We'd like to email you the program information. Now let's add another question. Let's see if we can grab phone numbers. We're going to keep on answer validation. So now we've got a couple of qualifying questions, and then we ask for their email and their phone number. Now here's the completion message. Now here I can insert a personalization. Now what we got to do here is add our privacy policy. There we go. That's got my privacy policy. So I'm going to go ahead and enter this. And now we can hit save and finish. All right, so that's it. Now your ad is all set up and ready to go and start generating leads for you right on Messenger. Now this is just the tip of the iceberg of what Messenger ads can do. I'm actually a ManyChat educator and expert, and I can show you how to set up ManyChat automations so that your Messenger marketing can be taken to the next level with automated follow-ups, automated appointment setting, and the ability to set up nurture sequences right within Messenger so that you can have your long-term nurture sent via Messenger, which gets up to 4 times the open rate of email. So if you found this video helpful and want to see more content like it, please like and subscribe, and I'm here to help. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments.